Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie and grow a garden using an easy method. We'll start by covering the essential ingredients for a perfect pie crust, focusing on simple techniques that yield flaky results every time. Then, we'll transition to gardening, discussing quick ways to prepare your soil and select plants that thrive with minimal effort. Get ready to enjoy homemade goodness. Creating a delicious pie doesn't have to be complicated. For a perfect crust, combine 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 cup of cold butter and a pinch of salt. Mix until crumbly, then add a 1/2 cup of ice water. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes before rolling it out. Bake your fruit pies at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 15 minutes, then reduce the temperature. Starting a garden is simpler than you think. First, select a location that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Prepare your soil by mixing in about 2 inches of good quality compost. This enriches the soil with vital nutrients. When planting seeds, ensure they are placed approximately 1/2 inch deep. Water regularly and watch your garden flourish with minimal fuss, providing fresh ingredients for your kitchen. Once your garden is thriving, harvest your vegetables when they reach their peak size and color. Imagine the flavor of a pie made with fresh berries or apples straight from your backyard. This easy method ensures you get the most out of your efforts, bringing farm-to-table freshness right to your plate. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.